I'm talking about this big pile of rusty metal thing up here. Oh, Dutch dock. Cushes Miniverb. Someone mentioned in the comments that they liked hearing the Irish, so I have to throw a few Irish words in. I forgot to start doing it. So, Chona sa tatu. Chin Queen Wiltu. Cadwiltu Suskadi. And that's basically, how's it going? How are you? What are you up to? So yeah, this must have been like a drawbridge. Makes sense looking at it. So this is the filthy Royal Canal. As you can see with the oil stain there. Hold on, let's see if we can focus in. The oil stain and the beer can. And beautiful. But that is a walkway that we will be doing on the list when we return back from the Thailand trip. And then we're coming down to Sheriff Street. I think Sheriff Street is around here. And then there's a nice big church. You know, we love our churches. So I think I should be safe. So what we're going to do now is, that was just like a part of it, the IFSC. If I would have went in further, it would have been just more boring, even though this is already boring. And this time I'm going to go right where the old IFSC is. So there's also this monument here as well. Anyone guess who it is? Anyone? I cheated now because I looked at the symbol, but if you know who that is, post it in the comments below. Hello? Is there anyone still watching? Oh man. Do I have to go to a pub and get drunk to keep you on my channel longer? Is that what it takes? Because I'm willing to do that. I'm willing to go to a pub and get drunk. For you, for the audience. You know, if that's what you require. However, it's not going to be a while. I'm not going to be for a while anyway. Although I might try to get a sneaky pint in today, first thing when the bar's open. Just quite a pint and whiskey. So there's not many people there. So more apartment blocks, so they kind of blended it in, so it's not just all, you know, office retail and stuff like that. So there's a lot of apartment blocks down here as well. It's kind of good, like if you live here and work there, sorted. Transport's not cheap. You know, like if you're going one place one day and another place another day, that's grand, but if you gotta go take the bus for $3.20 a day every day for 5 days a week, 4 times a month, it adds up, you know. So we have some parking spaces, have Lewis line, have some pubs and restaurants here. This will actually also end at Colony Station. So if you're up for it, like you could buy a house far up north. Well, not far up north, but like, you know, drop there or something like that, put it there at Dundalk. Get the first train down, come to work, then take the last train home, you know. And yeah, you can live the rural life on the weekends. Just a long commute during the week. But you'll get a bit better, bigger house out in the country. Better prices. So it's people's preferences, you know. There's the National College of Ireland, EBS Bank. There's a pharmacy. There's balconies with CCTV. That's a cool monument stand. Hold on, I think I have to get it from here. I'm seeing some flowers at it, so it could be a memorial point. Oh, that's probably from Ashling, is it? Let's see if we can get this out of the next stance.